Hello everybody, welcome to Merry Balloons. Today we will see how to make a flower bracelet. I have used orange color, so you can take any color of your choice and we'll give a good stretch. So let's start off. To inflate, maybe we'll do around 4 pumps, which will have a tail of for about 10 fingers. Approximately 10 fingers tail we will leave, and we'll tie a knot. Now we'll give a good squeeze. Make sure the balloon is soft. So give a good squeeze and make a loop twist. We'll make a small loop like this and just twist nicely. And now we have to take the nozzle and insert the nozzle in between that loop and bring it to the other side so that it will not come undone. Now we'll measure the same as the first loop. We will twist another loop similar to the first loop, and this is our second petal, and we will continue doing the same loops like that as of the first one, and continue to twist well and make sure that your loops are always towards the center. Try to bring it to the center. So it all comes by practice, so don't worry if you're a beginner. Keep trying. It's very simple and easy once you get the correct method to do it, and it's very easy to do. So don't give up, so keep trying. So we will make around 6 petals in the same manner. So do not worry about the balloons being popping up. If the balloons are soft, it will not pop up. Now we got 4 petals. Now we need 2 more petals. Okay, now let's arrange all the loops or the petals in an order to make it look like a flower. We'll give the shape of a flower. So now let's discard rest of the balloon. We just give a small slit and we'll release the air. And now we will tie it up. Tie it around a couple of times. For safety and for beginners, you can tie a knot. Just tie a knot around it, and even if you don't tie a knot, it will be fine. It will not come undone, but I'm just showing you in case you have a doubt. And then the remaining balloon you can just insert it into any petal. Now we'll do the center portion for the flower. So I have taken a blue color. You can take any color combinations. You can use even yellow. but I thought orange and blue might look nice, so I have taken blue. Just see how am I doing. Just release a little bit air. We don't need much. Just one small pump and reduce the maybe around the 2-finger bubble approximately, and tie it in this manner. Make a double knot so that it will not come undone. Now we'll keep that small bubble in the middle and take the nozzle down and let it go around the loops a couple of times. Now the longer balloon which we have, the remaining one, we will take it behind like this, and we leave a bigger loop. We'll make our loop little longer. Now we will tie this up by making it go around a few petals a couple of times so that it will be tightened over there, and we don't need to tie a knot. Let it go around and leave it, and if there's any remaining, we will insert it in between any petals. So now our balloon flower bracelet is ready for any party. Hope you liked this video. Then give a thumbs up and do share with all your friends. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel, Merry Balloons, if you haven't yet subscribed. Lovely, easy flower balloons or bracelets. You just can make it in any color combinations. You can even stick it on your walls for any decorations. It will be lovely. So leave your comments below, and I hope you enjoy twisting balloons. Happy twisting!